Much love, and I'm Wayne Johnson with Doc and Queen Ministries, coming right back at you. I just shared with you what you need to do when you are happy or when you're sad. Now I'm going to share what God tells us what to do when we are dealing with others, people that we know when they are going through rough times or when they are happy. So let us go to Romans chapter 12, verse 15, and it reads, when others are happy, you should be happy with them. And when others are sad, you should be sad too. Take care. God bless. God has a way of just giving us and telling us what we should do. Makes it plain, simple, and easy so we'll know how to govern ourselves. Take care.